Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all we have to open the dialer because this is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu. And the code is *#4636##**. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got three different categories. We've got the phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So let me begin with the phone info, the device info. And as you can see here, we can check, for example, the IMEI number, the car network, data service or data network type. I realize that all of those gaps are empty in my case, but it is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. If you've got yours, no worries, you will be able to check the info. What's more, here we can run ping test, and after tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, we can also enable data connection or view service dial-in numbers. Let's get back to the usage statistics, for example. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all apps and actually processes which are currently going on this device. And here they are sorted by usage time. So for example, you can check that I've been using the settings for above 13 minutes. Of course, you can change the sorting type to the last time use or app name. So obviously, for example, after picking the app name, everything will be listed alphabetically. Let's check the Wi-Fi info also. For example, the status. As you can see, we can check also the API and configuration. So just pick one, tap on refresh stats, and as you can see, we can check something like the network state, SSID or network ID. What's more, we can run ping test here. So let me get back to the dialer because that's all for this code, and let me open the calendar info. And the code for it is *##225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we will have all events grouped in one place. We will be able to check some family events, some holidays in your country also, and the events which are attached to your mail. It is because I do not have my email added here, that's why I cannot check it. So this is the best place to check the events because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics, and the code for it is *##426###. And as I said, here we've got the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. We can tap on events, and here you will have some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just go back, just actually tap on the status, and as you can see, you will be able to check the info like the heartbeat, last ping also should appear right here, or HB algorithm. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.